TikTok is not cringy. Now before you get out of my video or before you hit dislike on my video or before you type something hateful in the comment section, just hear me out. Come on, let's talk perspectives. Hi there everybody, my name is Shreyas. You are watching Shreyas GV and I know it's been a long time. In fact, a very long time. I hope all of you are good. How is the lockdown treating all of you? Comment down. Coming to the point, my statement on TikTok. I believe that TikTok is not cringy. Now, I have 4 reasons to support my statement. Let's begin. The first point, TikTok is evolving. Now, you need to understand that TikTok is a very new video platform, and when YouTube was a very new video platform, YouTube was as cringy as TikTok. Now, you know the video Friday by Rebecca Black, Friday by Rebecca Black, which was the epitome of cringe and the epitome of stupid content, and that was when YouTube was very new, when YouTube was Pichu in USA, in the West. Now similarly, TikTok is the Pichu in India, in the US, everywhere. In fact, YouTube was Pichu in India from the past 1 year. If you remember content like mix cinnamon and lemon to get lot of money, or if you remember content like Chak Puja, and then there was Katta Mere Haath Mein Chalo Yaar Saath Mein. All the Carrie Minati fans, yes. So that was the cringe on YouTube, and there is still cringe running on YouTube, like this. So much of cringe. Now YouTube needs to evolve from Pichu to Pikachu, and the evolving process is already over, and YouTube is Pikachu itself. Although there is a lot of cringe revolving, but the fact is that we focus majorly on the knowledge, on the entertainment part, on the non-cringy part that YouTube provides us. Similarly, TikTok is in a stage where TikTok is still Pichu and it needs to become Pikachu. It needs to evolve to Pikachu, and for it to evolve to Pikachu, all the audience need to focus on the good content, the good knowledge, the good entertainment that TikTok provides. So we need to wait until TikTok becomes evolved. In fact, we need to go to TikTok right now and we need to change the whole course of TikTok and turn it into something evolved. We need to evolve it. We need to go there and watch good content, right content, so that the TikTokers, whatever they are called. In fact, yeah, TikTokers need to change their perspective. They need to change their content. For example, Amit Badana, who was also the epitome of cringe-worthy content on YouTube, started to create less cringe-worthy content because there were so many YouTubers bashing on him constantly. So he had to consider his stake and his content and his scripting and everything, and then he had to change and make less cringe-worthy content. Similarly, if you go to TikTok and if you start watching good content on TikTok, it's gonna change. I am the proof that you can find one of the best videos on TikTok, and that's because point number 2, TikTok has a really good algorithm, so it literally understands what you want to watch. For example, I was into Facebook marketing, I was into Facebook ads, I was into marketing in general, I was into business, but I had given no clue to TikTok that I was into these things. After 3 days, after TikTok trying to understand what exactly I need by showing me different kinds of content, the 4th, 5th, 6th day, it continuously showed me the content I wanted to watch. It was all about marketing, Facebook ads, tech, computer science, everything that I love. And something which blew my mind was, it showed me content which I wanted to know what it is, but I did not know how to search. It was literally showing me stuff which I don't know how to search, and that's something YouTube cannot do. YouTube has a really weird algorithm. If you search something on YouTube, the next time you go to your home screen on YouTube, your whole YouTube home feed is cluttered. You get all the content that you searched for. But in TikTok, if you search for something on TikTok, you don't get that on your main feed, on your home page. You just get things which you like, which you liked, which you saved, or which you shared. And that is something TikTok has nailed. Its algorithm is so good that you actually get to see what you want to see. Let me actually take my phone and let me show you that, for example, the TikTok, the content I'm watching right now, TikTok has optimized my content in such a way that I don't get Indian TikTokers at all. All I get is international.
you like playing games and do you have a smartphone? Stay tuned. Step 1, go to playtestcloud.com. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back.
Now the breakfast aisle, everything from bone grill to jams to preserves. How is this in the breakfast aisle? This is essentially chocolate. Nutella and Ferrero Rocher have been sued for portraying chocolate as breakfast. But worse than
I sometimes have a 1-hour meeting with a company, fly from New York.
One Indian out of like 6 videos.
MIs. Here's a quick hack to know what airports.
So you can actually see that during the first 2 days when I was watching TikTok, it showed me only cringe content, only Indian content, Indian TikTokers, which was pathetic. But 3 days after this, I got the content I actually wanted to. This is the example there. Although there was one Indian TikTok video and like one thing which was out of context for me, but it's still fine. It's able to understand what I want to watch without me trying to search on its platform, and that is amazing. Point number 3. Videos in TikTok can either be 15 seconds or up to 1 minute, and this psychologically for a user is something like, you know what, this is just 15 seconds or this is just 1 minute. Let me keep watching the next video. Oh, just 1 minute, let me watch another video. Let me watch another video. Eventually you keep watching videos, a lot of videos because of TikTok's algorithm, thanks to TikTok's algorithm. And you get such good content. You watch 60 to 80 videos thinking that it's just 1 minute, it's not gonna spare some time, it's not gonna create a huge impact on our time. But it actually did, because you saw 120 videos, 120 1-minute videos, which is 2 hours, and you didn't even notice that until you switched off your phone or you locked your phone to realize that you spent so much of time on TikTok. I'm not telling this, my stats are telling this from the past 4 days. TikTok is literally, I've watched TikTok more than YouTube on my phone, and that is surprising because YouTube is always on top in my phone. I always watch at least 1.5 or 2 hours of YouTube on my phone every day, but from the past 4-5 days, in fact past 6 days, TikTok is the highest. TikTok overtook YouTube, and that is alarming for YouTube because I am a content creator. I love YouTube and I've been glued to TikTok. Point number 5. TikTok is very easy to navigate, very easy to like, very easy to share, because TikTok knows that you are always lazy, and it keeps the UI so simple and so to the point that you double tap, you liked it, you swipe right, you go to the channel, the content creators channel. So that's how TikTok is capitalizing. Number 1, TikTok is very good in understanding what you need. Number 2, every video in TikTok is very short. It's a micro video, which means it can either be 15 seconds or up to 1 minute. Number 3, TikTok's UI is so easy and so simple to navigate that you feel to use the application more than you actually want to. And this is a win for any video streaming application out there. And I know this is not a regular vlog, but lockdown is happening, you can't go outside home, right? So yeah, some knowledge with GV or perspectives with GV. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You are watching Shreyas GV. Chalo. Bye.